Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of a SAVI TFK-700 crosscut veneer clipper. The 700 stands for 700 millimeters of width capacity, which equates to 27.5 inches of capacity. This machine is powered by a 3 kilowatt or 4 horsepower motor. That is a hydraulic motor. We did just have the knife resharpened by Federal in Indiana, and so that knife is razor sharp. There is, you're not gonna be able to see in this light, I'll turn the light off in a moment, but there is a green guide light under here. You can also see it through your 2 top windows. If you look in here, you can kind of see the glow, and that is from the green guide light. It is really, really bright. However, above me, there's almost 200,000 lumens of light to light this area. So you're not gonna be able to see it in this bright of light. They still do produce this machine. The difference is it's now produced in Asia. You're just gonna come in, it's double palms. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.